I love bridges. Where are you?
I made. At least I made.
Oh shit! What's up, everyone? Yeah.
We're not doing a whole room.
Who is going to notice?
Oh,
that's cool.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's there at least.
No!
How do you?
I cannot jump. It works.
Okay, BBQ's
Well,
go.
I
I
depends
will go
what headset
separate
you're on.
dimension.
Alright, ready?
So, something you
And
should
go.
go. My question.
Alright, go.
What is this?
Where's the sword?
Go. This is literally Guys!
Oh my god, I don't want to!
Oh! I didn't turn on my computer. Go! Yo, nah, get off them! Oh god.
Oh yeah. This is.
I feel like we need to do a round two.
He wasn't even no. And the second I turned behind me, he's like,
What was their timer?
sorry, there's nothing called in here. Did you do it again?
No! I don't feel like dying today. I'm sorry to say that. I don't feel like dying. I am skibbity out.
It's just you, silly cat.
No! No, please!
You have a sword? I don't think you have a sword, bro.
I want to escape!
Who's it becoming?
I'm gonna be different. I'm gonna be different. Coming this way. He's coming this way. Oh, this music. This music's actually kind of
It's not. Actually, it's pretty slow, so I'm kind of taking my time. I cannot run him. I cannot run him. I cannot.
Go!
We win.
Get behind here.
5 seconds.
Where's the sword?
It's right there.
Come on, the sword spawn. Oh, we can fight that. Oh, jeez.
Something behind you.
I got a dagger! I got a knife!
You can't get us all.
Oh, wait, how do we get the sword?
Run.
Oh my god.
There it is! I can escape! I will escape! Who does it? My controller! I'm out of here! No, I can't move! My stick drift!
Good. So you lose.
Wow.
Yeah,
Alright, I'll figure it
Jump in the
out.
battle
And
bus.
we're
Jump in the battle
Yeah,
bus.
Go, go, go,
We're trying to
go.
run the battle bus. Fuck up, BBQ.
I gotta stick together.
Oh,
I
it's like
gotta
I'm gonna be
Alright,
safe.
I'm following the beta tester, bro.
Start the lock. Wait a minute. Yo, wait, hold on. Sorry. You have the gun. You have the gun.
Where are they?
Oh shit, you have the
Oh, you got it! You got it!
Oh shit, he booted.
I'm not ready! I'm not ready! I'm not ready!
Oh shit.
Yo, he's like lagging.
Hey, I can't move like a troll! Like a troll! Like a troll!
Wait.
Okay,
I wanna go take a shit.
Alejandro!
Everybody stay on the bridge.
I'm genuinely dead.
Bro, blueberries! Blueberries! Hey, do you guys
I see blueberries.
He's right there! He's right there!
What is happening?
Oh, jeez! Go! Go! Oh, I'm gonna love the OSG from this guy.
What is this?
Yo, I can't see Jack. I don't know exactly what this is from me. Oh, I can't see. Yo, wait, guys, a quarter of his health is already gone. I think he's right there. Yo, I'm gonna die. Oh, shit!
Are you sure you want to keep your phone noise enabled? You can barely see people.
We're buried.
I just shut his dimension open.
What the hell? Get me the frick out of here, dude.
Okay,
Help.
what is happening?
What are you supposed to do?
Come on, guys.
What the
10
fuck
seconds.
is that?
Let's be separate.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that thing? What is that
The
thing?
fucking creek. Yo.
Holy crap!
Why?
Fight back.
We're coming that way.
Kill that boy! Kill that!
Okay, remember, if somebody comes, like, for example, right? Which is right now, kill him! Yeah? Oh, shit! What's up?
Yo! Please give me a chance! I want a chance! Stop! I want
No,
You guys got
we need to
this.
build a strategy.
Build a strategy. Build a strategy. Up here.
If we can get the sword before they start coming in. We should just
I already have the sword, so here's the thing. We have to jump the weakest, and then we all attack the strongest.
No, we just jumping the first second.
I think we're fried.
You don't know where he's gonna be. Just
Silly cat. You're not making this. You're not making this.
I really want to make it because I need to survive.
Interesting. Well, we're still
He's
not
coming,
dead.
guys.
Hey, Biscuit. Jolly all day.
I don't think anyone will get this.
Ah,
Oh, no.
Flashbang.
What was that?
Not already, bro.
I think that was extra.
Run.
Okay,
Run. They're here. Keep going. Go.
1 minute and 30 seconds to somehow get to
Okay,
exit.
Colossus, we can
Call eye
survive.
down. There's a call eye.
And Colossus doesn't use... Colossus doesn't use, like, cards.
I've encountered consequences.
One more. So I want to get some good clips. So.
Bro, my one more game.
One more game.
Guys, I didn't live. Guys,
So it looks like nobody's getting the stitches.
it's scary in here.
Yo,
It's scary in here.
Nobody getting
Guys, guys,
Is everyone out?
it's scary in here. It's scary in here. Help! Help!
Silly cat.
Help!
give us another chance.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Are you trapped?
No, please. I'm trapped. We might have killed him. Okay. Go.
Not again.
Alright, go.
We might be. Oh, we're not close.
I'm not ready, guys. Funny story. Funny story, right, guys? Funny story.
Oh, that's a first.
Everyone is here. Oh my god.
Why are you guys in here?
It's going down.
I don't really know what I'm.
Whoa!
Sorry, we're gang, right? Why is the crown here? Who the fuck is we? Whoa! Yo, why is the crown here?
So are we just getting everyone out of here?
You're murdering everyone? Cool. Why is the crown here?
Hey, bro, you're fine. I believe in you.
Yo, we're dead, bro. We're dead.
Make 'em bulky
Yo,
pride,
we're dead. Yo.
Hello? Get him. Go get him,
I just have a word. I need to take a word from someone. Hold on.
The content. Where's the content? Where's the dagger?
Get in the group.
Everyone, we need to jump them as a team.
Get on bridge.
Everyone, don't make it far.
Up here.
You will get
Yeah.
I want to get up, but I keep turning.
Oh yeah, there's spawns.
Stop turning!
Everyone huddle up. I don't have a weapon.
Yeah, why are we not killing? Exactly.
A plan is a plan. Even if it's
Alright, this is your fault, guys. You can kill him and get the prize. I don't have a sword.
what is even the price?
Stop! Please.
You'll find out if you escape.
Yo, you
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Nah, you got that. Just come up.
Let me check if I can do this.
I'm one shot. Losses. Except for something. I think I'm not one shot. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh my lord, maybe do
Stop it, bro. Stop it.
Get a TV. I'm safe.
My headset's gonna die in 1 second. Come on. Yo, what am I right? Yo, what's going on? Guys, I'm doing it. Hey guys, what's going on?
Whoa. I don't think I want to fight back. I don't think I want to fight back. I don't think I want to try to fight back.
I have a car.
How am I going to kill supposed to disable your chase music, bro. Yeah, we're not trying to have music overlap, bro. Hey, y'all run, boy! He's gonna charge at you! I don't know what time it's on here.
Oh yeah, that can. You think you can do it?
Oh,
I can do this.
they see you, bro.
Both of them see you.
Hey,
Where's it?
whoa.
Oh, he's escaped.
Oh, crap! Oh, crap!
I'm gonna escape. I'm going to escape. Bye, suckers. I did it. Guys, I Did it. Finally. Yes. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I survived! I survived! I survived!
Hey, man.
What was that?
Why?
Oh,
Water scared. I don't know why the water scared me.
ooh.
Oh my god! Go.
I'm a Why do you have so much health? No, I don't.
It's like,
Alright, go. Lava ball, you just gotta run. You just gotta run. You guys better
Oh,
start
no.
going.
Oh my god!
Microwave beam.
the coast school.
It's a microwave beam. It's a microwave beam.
H-U-I-O.
He's coming over here. He's coming over here. He's coming over here.
Silly, that was not.
He's coming over here, guys. Guys, he's coming over here. Never mind. He's over there. He's over there. He's like right there. He is. He's going up there, guys. Just so you guys know. He's heading to us. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Oh my god, this thing.
I want
Yo,
blue
guys,
jeans.
come here.
You're getting slapped. I want blue jeans.
Literally after me. Oh yeah, he's not. He's found me.
No, I don't like that berry. I don't like that berry. I don't like that berry.
Oh shit.
Run!
19 seconds
Oh,
left.
he's near. He's near.
Blueberry can find me at any point now. Blueberry can find me at any point now.
Follow me.
Ethan or Lava?
He's right there. He's right there.
Hide behind the wall. Hide behind the wall. Okay, stay on the wall.
Get your sword. Attack. Get him. Sorry, Blueberry. I got killed. I need to.
Yo,
Well,
wait,
the other entities, they've already left.
wait,
They
all
only
the
have these
different
two.
rounds, only FC1.
Oh, my head is about to.
I needed him. So, I heard that there's new stuff. Like, PvP kills. Oh, yeah. There's definitely new stuff. Ready? So, it changed to 200 to 500. Ready now. Okay. Streaks? Oh, yeah. No shower? That's insane. Golden flower. No shower. Is it like a badge? Alright. Well, see you guys. That was very fun. So, yeah.